Hello everyone, and happy to see you here. It's Money Secrets. That's not a secret that everyone wants to make a lot of money and work not as hard as it requires. Someone will say that it is literally impossible, as you have to work 9 to 5 to get some money. Yep, that's true, if you want to live from paycheck to paycheck. But here are some tricks I want to teach you which will help you to earn some extra cash. What if you could make $100 per hour by watching YouTube videos? 30 seconds, and you can make money now. Today we're going to be talking about ways which can help you to make some money in real by simply watching YouTube videos. Did you know that there are some simple steps you need to do to make $100 per hour by watching YouTube videos? No? Then stay with us to know the most interesting information about it. Step 1. Make a PayPal account. PayPal is for everyone who pays online. PayPal allows customers to establish an account on its platform, which is connected to a user's credit card or checking account. Once identification and proof of funds are confirmed, users can begin sending or receiving payments to and from other PayPal accounts online or through the company's app. PayPal offers payment services and solutions for both personal consumers and businesses. The company allows personal consumers to shop, make payments, and transfer money with relative ease. Users need an email address to sign up for an account and must provide a credit card, debit card, or bank account to complete the setup. PayPal account holders can use the company's website or mobile app to transfer money to others while using the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Transactions are completed within minutes, and the company promises that transfers are available for payment or withdrawal to a bank account immediately. Here is a step-by-step guide for you to sign up for PayPal. To set up a PayPal account, visit PayPal's website and click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to choose the account type you want, personal or business. The next step is to fill out the form that shows up with your name, email address, and password. You also have to select the country you live in. Hit continue and then fill out the second form by selecting your nationality and typing in your address, phone number, and any other info that's required. Once you hit continue, your account will be created, but you're far from done yet. To start using PayPal, you need to add in your debit card or credit card. This will link your PayPal account to a bank account so you can deposit or withdraw money from PayPal. You can do that by clicking the blue Get Started button and filling out the form that pops up. This is technically optional, but without it, your PayPal account will be severely limited. The last step in this process is to verify your email address, if you haven't already, by clicking the link in the email sent to you by PayPal. Step 2. Go to the AddMeFast website. AddMeFast is a network that will help you grow your social presence. It allows you to look and choose who you want to like, subscribe, follow, view, and skip those who you're not interested in. There are thousands of companies that will pay you to watch their videos. One of the sites that hosts these videos is AddMeFast. On this website, you can get paid to watch many different kinds of videos. All you need is to choose from which social media you want to watch, and that account will gain views while you gain currency, which is called coins on this website. This website is absolutely free to join. All you need to do to start earning is an AddMeFast account. To make an account, you need to sign up. Do this by going to their website, looking for the button that says Sign Up and clicking it. Then enter a valid email address and a password. Then click Sign Up. That's it. Step 3. Watch YouTube videos. And as we promised, here's your working part. Just watch YouTube videos and make money. You can scroll down on the left side of the page on AddMeFast and click on YouTube. Now you can choose which video you want to choose. So let's get it started. 30 seconds and you get money. Pretty easy, right? Just imagine how many videos you can watch to earn. The more you watch, the more you earn. Simple. By watching videos, you will collect some coins which are needed for cash out. Step 4. Go to the PlayerUp website. PlayerUp is a free online platform for players of massive multiplayer online (MMO) games to buy, sell, and trade digital accounts. The site is a neutral marketplace that supports player-to-player trading for over 100 games, and this site will be useful for earning through one service but fulfill it with another one. For example, you get paid $20 to complete the task, and you hire someone for $10 to make it up for you. So you will still get the $10 for basically doing nothing. To start, you need to sign up in here. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or just enter your email address. On this website, you can sell many different things such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Step 5. Sell Facebook likes PlayerUp. As you aren't signed here up, we will use this website to sell Facebook likes to people. We all know how engagement is extremely important for blogs, business, and etc. These likes can boost their posts and make traffic. Now, you will be selling Facebook likes for someone who needs them. First, go to your PlayerUp account, then set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your price, maybe $10 or $5. It is completely up to you. Step 6. Set up a page on AddMeFast. Okay, let's go back to AddMeFast. You need that to fulfill the orders. Now you need to select what you want to be garnering. For instance, Facebook likes. Then set the amount and your price. This is only up to you what to choose. Set the price you want to charge for 500 likes to start with. For countries, select worldwide. Then put in the page URL. The page URL will be provided to you by your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want them to give out per click. That is why your coins are important, because you will be paying with them for people who give likes to the page. It works for many different social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Step 7. Sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. So, now you know how to sell likes on Facebook. And here we are to get some knowledge on selling Insta likes. That's simple as well. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Again, like with your Facebook likes, you will set up a listing. This time, you could sell likes or followers. Set your price accordingly. Fulfill these likes and follows through AddMeFast. Select the option for Instagram likes or follows according to what you are selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content. Step 8. Sell views on TikTok on PlayerUp. And now, it is TikTok time. So quickly, this platform became extremely popular among young people. Now we also will use this platform and its power to earn some cash. And that's fair. A lot of bloggers really want to be famous here. Every single celebrity has a TikTok account now, and all of them are willing to become very popular on this platform. If you have a TikTok account, you might be seeing your feed is full of really different content. Dancing, cooking, painting, and all of that content wants to be seen and recommended. And viewing that it's easy since the time limit on all of the videos is 1 minute. Now it's time to sell views. To sell views like previous steps, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing that says you will be selling TikTok views. Then go back to AddMeFast and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it and your client will be satisfied. Step 9. Sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. No, we didn't forget about YouTube. Besides watching videos and making money on it, we also can sell views on YouTube. Here you can find a lot of content. In fact, it has millions and millions of videos for anyone to view. Due to the high competition, each channel wants to attract as much attention as possible and arrange algorithms for itself so that they can start working on their content. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments, so some people are willing to pay for these likes. You can be the one who gets paid for likes. Here's how you can be a part of this. Like with the other steps, you first need to go to your PlayerUp account. Then make a listing saying that you will sell YouTube views. Set your price, then go to AddMeFast and set up a page so people can watch the video that your client requested views on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Secrets channel to know more interesting news and facts. See you in the next video.